Hey guys, this is Martin again. We are in the file upload vulnerability section, and today's lab is web shell upload via content type restriction bypass. So if you remember from the previous lab, we were able to upload a plain PHP file which got executed on the server, so there were no restrictions, no checks, no sanitization, nothing in place. The developers this time around have put some defenses in place, but they are still bypassable. The objective remains the same. We are supposed to read a secret file from the file system on the target application, and for that purpose I'm using the same PHP code as in the previous lab, which is simply when executed, it's running this echo command and then it retrieves the file content of this specific file, right? So pretty much the same as in the previous lab. Let's go to my account. You will see in my account you have this upload functionality once again with the avatar. Let's go there. Let's upload that exploit.php and let's hit upload, and it says like, oops, sorry, the file type text PHP is not allowed. Only image JPEG or image PNG are allowed. Sorry, there was an error in uploading the file. So this was not successful this time around. Okay, so let's go over to Burp and look at our request. So basically send it to repeater so we can play with it. And what you see here, this is the same like in the first lab. And if I try this again, I will get this error message, right? Like, so sorry, file type text or PHP is not allowed. Okay, so it's obviously checking this. So it didn't complain about our actual file name, about the extension, about the .php, but it complains about this one here, the content type. So what happens if I just go in and play with the content type and say image.jpg, right? So I'm now trying to trick the server and say like, hey, this is actually, the content type is an image JPEG. And I hit send, and then it still complains, right? So I put image JPEG now, and it still complained here, but let's see what actually happened. So let's go back to my account and do this one more time. But this time we are going to intercept it in the Burp proxy. So we hit the intercept tab to on, and then we say upload. And what if we now change it to image JPEG? Okay, forward, and check here. And now it says like, hey, the file avatars exploit PHP has been uploaded. So it was obviously working. Let's go back to my account, and we have this like not the full rendered picture because it's obviously not a picture. Let's open this in a new tab, and here you will have our solution once again. Okay, so what went wrong in my earlier request in Burp is it was actually checking. So it didn't like the image.jpg. It actually wanted to have something like this. Okay, so only this one is allowed. Okay, see that? So because JPEG basically can be in two forms, in JPG or JPEG, right? So it only allowed that one. This is why it went wrong earlier. So let's take this solution, submit it, and we have solved the lab. Okay, I hope this makes sense, and I see you in the next video.